So appalled, 1087 here into the close. We got about a minute to go, and we've been saying 10xx. We will start the bottoming process. So here's your first close in the 10xx's, 1087 as we speak. We need to test that low of 1077 at least now. And again, 20% now off the year's high. However, only we are only about 15% off of the closing prices of 2010 of 1257. So if you want to see a 20% haircut from the 2010 prices, you're going to push down to 1005. Looking at oil, real big picture, I still see oil going to $40, $60 a barrel by election year. That will wipe out the Texas contingent of Rick Perry and Ron Paul for the election. This has to happen if Obama has any chance. So you're going to continue to see euro trade to parity with the dollar, I think. There'll be balances in between there. It's not going to be straight down, but this process of unwinding in euro is going to continue. It's also part of Bernanke's plan, I believe, to punish the Chinese, as my friend Warren Murdoch has pointed out. Since we pay our debts in the US dollar, he can devalue the debt and force the Chinese to inflate their currency. What we really need, he says, is to price goods and services with a basket of currencies. And I believe this is part of the overall FOMC plan. So watch this as we continue to grind down. Again, look for bounces. Bounces continue to be sold all the way up to 1260. We're now way oversold, 1087. First closing here on the ES in the 100s. Again, there's a lot of support down at 1,000. That was the lows of April, May, June of 2010. So we could go back down there and test that level. That would be fairly bullish if we held 1,000, 1,005. So we got another 80 points maybe to the downside before this thing washes out. And I still haven't seen a big washout day. This has been an orderly sell-off. Continues every rip basically for the last 2 months has been sold. If you look back since we first started selling off there in early August, all we've done is continue to make these steps. And as I've been saying since then, just keep selling every rip. Nothing has changed on the charts. So follow the charts. Don't make it more difficult than it is. Don't overthink it. The trends are clearly down on every time frame, 5, 10, 15, 30, 60, 240 daily charts. Even the weekly charts now are broken. So weekly charts are giving sell signals. They were giving sell signals as far back as May, and no point in fighting that until that changes. That could change probably with a close somewhere over 1250. Until that happens, that's a solid 10-15% above us now. You want to be selling rips. It's plain and simple. Even the monthly charts, by the way, September gave us a strong sell signal on the monthly view on the futures charts on the ES chart for the first time. Last time we had one of the monthly selling charts was February of 08, and obviously that led to a little bit of rally. So again, I could see a strong rally maybe up to 1150 to 1200 from where we sit now, and that will be sold again if we bounce from here. So look for that. Again, the next 3 to 6 weeks, I'm looking for a big washout to happen, giving us a year up to the elections, and a lot to chew on here. So that's it. We'll see you on the flip side, and good selling to you. Turn your charts over if you like the long side. They're beautiful long setups. You just need to turn the charts upside down right now. Peace.